Good evening all, I'm Azhar. So today we are going to do polynomials. Yes. So before starting this, what is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression. I'll write here. See, polynomial is an algebraic expression which contains constant and variables along with mathematical operations, which is plus, minus, right? So this 3 is a constant. Why it is called as constant? Because for a constant the value will be fixed, whereas for a variable the value is not fixed. So a mixture of constant, variables along with mathematical operations is called as polynomials. And here if you see, this polynomial will be changing for each and every different values. Now suppose I write a polynomial 3x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? This polynomial is indicated by a designation p of x. P of x is the indication for a polynomial. So now suppose if I put x as 0. Now suppose if I put x as 0, this will give me the value of the polynomial for x being 0. So 3 into 0, the whole square is 0, minus 4 into 0 plus 3. So you will get it as 0 because 3 into 0 is 0, 4 into 0 is 0 plus 3. You will get the value of 3. That means for the polynomial p of 0 being 0 at x equal to 0, the polynomial values, this is the value of the polynomial. Now, if you see here, we have the exponent. I think you are all aware of what exponent is. So, exponent is the power in the variable, right? Now, for a given polynomial, the highest exponent in a polynomial is known as degree of the polynomial. So we have different types of degrees of polynomial. So based on the degrees of polynomial, we have different polynomials. Suppose if I have nothing here, suppose if I write just 3. 3 is also polynomial if you ask me how. Because if I write here x has a variable and if I put exponent as 0, x power 0 is 0, we know. Anything to the power 0 is 1, so it is 3. So this type of polynomial is known as constant polynomial. Suppose if the degree is 1, 3x, same thing, 3x power 1. This type of polynomial is known as linear polynomial. And next, as usual, 3x square plus 4x something, right? Here the degree is 2. This is quadratic. And that's very good. For the 3, we have the cubic polynomial. Right? Now, one homework for you all. Find out the polynomial name if the degree is 4. Right? And we have the types of polynomial based on the terms. We will discuss that in the one more class, what is done and the different types of polynomials. Right? Thank you.